Otan a man for the time Asante for who time any hatred a man for nyamom. Yes, if you baby free, me a fantini pure. I'm telling you, me a fantini pure. Ah, ye woman ko ni woman. Me tna fanti kakra. And I'm betna Accra. Matna Accra. Things say Accra must spend your life in be brain. Currently, me Kumasi, me ba Kumasi, me nya 1 good year. Look, Asante for time amount for time Asante for no minim the enti o time.
Nice GH.
Yeah. Sometimes no bibi onum na say bia wote a unyanya mu experience aya na wonya abotre. Isanza asem yamba bekan no e kire e fantini a ono kasa hu se no. Amemba experience say bia ensem aye kafa asante ho no kre ananya no kre. Eno na ya de bia megina so yemade. Experience yansa no say no kre ananya no kre. Yo. Mame ensensem na semfama before I because ansem ni so no. Ohwe said ye abrofo aye water closet a fan say okotena so otimi catch water closet no de o chen de onye like AI intelligence no their programmers ade no enam say Ghana yeni so de wonti no ena ya yehu nioma bi say ye feel say no na efe Ghana nya asade we 2008 asante de share kantanka ene di kan ye which is 2008 no designing asade way back almost 17 years. What you say? 15 years or so, 15 years or something, 15 years or 14 years. Yeah, it was 2008 to 2025. Yeah. Almost 17 years or something. 17 years, yeah. And a sad way, yeah. What you say? What you should be doing, right? And something at us.
Hello, toilet.
I am here.
Open the lid.
Cover opening.
Close the lid.
Cover closing.
Oh my god. Does it flush as well? So you can say flush. What instructions can you give?
Hello, toilet.
I am here.
Open the lid.
Cover opening.
Full flesh.
No.
Yeah. So share video ni mi no a na wo hwe se the video we sitie eni ade a na otimu se Ghana fo obi apese o kan wasem hu se toilet bi aba say mama for kwa na luxury ba kantanka in 2008 hwe video yi mame
na safo kantanka nsanu adwuma no bini we ye kantanka automatic WC unit me pa ucho ha wo ho se wo be flash se wuwie a ebiom kai se wo de won nsa be hye sink no ase ahoro won nsa ho ehia se wo de bribi be pepa won nsa fa won nsa hye dryer no ase na won nsa ho be wo meresan kai wo biom se odene hu na nasafo kantanka na oyoye medase
Ujamia no wajadio afem tanse di nam se da bi masa ma ye foforo afa de we no samna mpo se samna obi mfa no so nkoka enti ano okọ ba bi so wi adwc no tena so na abo nsam pa na fiase me de bibia hyeb enti onya abo nsam apẹ yo na no so aba
afisi wo ye kase ye ni nso de wa na manfo ntiase Yankopon ache o man na de as akufura santiment mu nti no akufura santiment mu nti a isanse nyame wache o man na de wiase wache ya de ki ni ko ho a nke numum ne nke ni be ye luxury ma wiase agye atom ti asemi yi pa ti people are not getting it say afa we kra we de nipa ade we in 2008 afi no mai bi. So you see, ye ni so de ye wa ye ni so asante ene de ye wa kenye seida yona mame 27 so fa eye fantini a wabetene kumase ne experience a wabenya e wa Asantema mu na otete nsem no say yesi Asante ayesi na onti ase oba ye no ni abehu bi yenti na dance yemra
otan a amanfo de tan asantefo omho tan ene hatred amanfo nyamom. Yes, if you baby free. And let me tell you this, me a fantini pure. I'm telling you, me a fantini pure. Ye wo mo ko ni ye wo me tena fante kakra and I'm betna Accra matna Accra. Things say Accra must spend your life in be brain. Currently me wo Kumasi me ba Kumasi me nya 1 good year. Look, Asante for time amount for time Asante for no minim die nti o mo time. Yes, Asante for mo hipa we this say o time. No mo hu ehi na ye no efri baby efri o. Hwe me se efi ametimu o Asante region ase o. Me fiora. Oye ni papa. Eno nti na me se Asante for time na efri de efri. Me se usi ade hata wo ahomam. Ube ensuo to bebe drufie no na yeyi abobo ama sa abobo stay on bebo atale no ama no me nya daje mbobo ma on bebo ne kama nti ama me dwen wanse nti die nti na manfo sori na Asantefo ayi sei na Asantefo debi Asantefo nyen paboni o na ebi mpo o ma ti se aduane Asantefo aduane o ne bo onye den sa o enye se aduane basa bi o unye organic aduane unya ntosa aduane unu nkwan se we ntos nkwan se enye baby a na me wa me ba ya no ten tomatoes ne spices bebrebe no quality food, trust me. Now let me tell you, otan amount for time Asante na it said the same thing say na ebi mo time seven nordness any evers no. Look, there's an agenda bi a say omu pushy na about say idea Asantefo nipa bone ba Asantefo nye nipa bone na men kan secret we nkyerem otan Asantefo egi nyina enye se bi otumfo nipa bone sebi nana me bodi me bomi mu enye otumfo na ne hu ye hiom eye political Asantefo yemu say the stomach of MPP no enu nti no hwe me say tribalism bia na manfo ye o man mu politics because Asante region the stronghold ma MPP nti no automatically Asantefo hu ye hi because Asantefo me say o me nipa to say me dru Asante region encounter me nkrofo bebre anya me say no chale even baby a me tena kra che no kra no I don't get that love that much. And I'm telling for fact politics people hate Asantes because a MPP stronghold, that's it. And then I make say Ghana now politics say politics say politics my time in politics my time politics and ama nyama be bre enko ye wo man politics. Like tell me dear na Santini ayobi and a dear no be ayobi me who like Asantefo say because now me cry me tama me tia cry obeti na Asantefo me be do am say no me didn't want am say no I dey politics because of some MPP for stronghold in here. And I don't like politics, but I'm telling you the fact that people hate Asantes not because of say omu ye nipa boni fu. No. They hate them because say omu so MPP so omu ye MPP for, and that's the fact. That is the fact because say oko menshia around one oko ye videos na dem po ahun menshia nye baby menshia palace ni inside of baby a nana etna no 240 no da bi around okompona oduru a the way I'm Joe for so ubisa question oh time say me say like they are good people. Ashantis are good, like Ashanti for me in new pa. I'm telling you for free. I'm telling you the truth. Me a fantini ko have me be and free Ashanti me. But me better Ashanti reading. Like I don't want to even go back. Trust me. They are good people. You know me when say everything now Ashanti for culture and politics, total politics. And that's the fact. People hate Ashantis because of MPP. The same way people don't like Evers because of NDC. Same people don't like AB and Notnet because of the thing is politics. So the tribalism thing, no, and you say tribalism can kill. Politics. People hate people because of their political affiliation. That's the thing. Asantefo nye nipa boni fo, Asantefo nye nkrofo boni, Ashanti mema asundwe wa ha. Trust me. People hate Ashanti people, Asantefo because of say omo eba MPP a omnom dominate. That's it. Nti no se menye se metan Asantefo a na che say MPP fo ho ahinti na metan Asantefo. That's the truth. I'm telling you, that's the truth. That's why I'm delete all my old videos in here. I'm deleting in because I see the thing is politics. I'm telling you the fact. I didn't need my privacy or my old video. I will say politics, and politics is destroying the nation. That's a fact. So me from now on, politics there. People hate Asantes because of MPP, and that's the truth. Oba obi hunu kreno. Obi weka Asante memu born. Because of joining NDC into I won't say high MPP stronghold. And MPP for who are be him because MPP for buy and now my money when say enkoye and the automatically no. Region Bia who hold the MPP down to earth, we are he. So people don't hate Ashantis because say you. I mean Papa new and now more BBU there be more time because of MPP and that's the truth. Pia.
Yeah. So sadinin benwa. Mane say bia. The ubia kana ujie di uso kone ko experience bi. You say no cre and enya no cre. Ko ti ubuti wono obi kaseti Asante o feel say o ne kan no nya no kre experience bi no so nkofu se no mso ban setie so di Asante si e wotima badaye ni odoma e man nya sakito obusia Filipina so chewadwen o comment section o se bomoden ni subscribe se de be ya me drop video bi on sabetimi akabi na me kai wo se ye memenda o chena memenda idea ni mia na mishe show na se o Sacrum TV o Sacrum TV o Sacrum TV that's when you say Asantesem e ho de Asantesem na ye no ye Asantesem in the atem ye Asantesem o modern say udu TV e beto o Sacrum TV anase papa bi TV ubenya ni nyina e wo ho pato ni tie Asantesem papa. But I saw me, macro.